Hi! I'm so excited. I mentioned before several times in several different ways that after my video about the items that I regret not buying, I mentioned a couple things, and you might have seen the video I did about the toiletry 26 that a lovely viewer friend named Amy sent to me. I purchased it from her. Beautiful, gorgeous, love it. Well, I also was contacted by a viewer friend in Germany about an item that they still have in the stores, in the Louis Vuitton stores, boutiques there in Germany, but we can't get them here. And it was this item that I cannot get here. And she said, well, we still have them. Would you like me to look into getting one for you? So she and I have been talking back and forth, and she was so wonderful. Hi, Katya. So wonderful. She ordered it, went to the store, checked it out, and there was like a tear, or like not a tear, a run in one of the bits because it's a scarf. And so she was like, nope, can't have that. So she, gave that back, of course. And then they ordered another one. So she went back to the store, checked it out, found that it was perfect, and sent it to me. So I am so happy and so excited to have received it. The poor box looks like it's been through something, but it has gone a long way. And so we're gonna unbox it and open it together. So I was mentioning that I really regretted not buying the Steven Sprouse Louis Vuitton leopard stole in the brown. It is available in the pink now on our US websites, but not in the brown anymore. And buying a scarf used is difficult, especially if you can't get a perfume smell out. Yeah, I don't know. I've been struggling trying to find it in a used form. So, being that I got it from Germany, it was less expensive for me too than I would have gotten it for here had it been available. So it was a win-win all around, and I made a new friend. So I opened the, you know what I'm saying, right? Okay, here we go. Oh, she put a little card in here. Let's look at this. Look at this pretty card. Okay, I hope you don't mind, Katya, but this is so cute. It says, hi Jen, life is too short to regret something. I hope you enjoy the new animal in your house. Sending you a big hug, Katya. Thank you, sweetheart. You are so sweet. Okay, I am so happy. Okay, look guys. Beautiful. Who's in the bottom? Oh, sweet. Okay, here it is. Let's open it up. And it's funny because this is something that I probably won't even use until fall and winter, but I'll have it now, and I will have it forever and ever, and it's a forever kind of a piece because leopard is sort of a neutral in a lot of ways, and it's a classic, so I think I will just always love this. It's the magnetic kind of a box. The dust bag. Here we go. Oh, nice. I didn't even know it came in an extra little pouch like this. So cool. I love it. I love how you just store it and keep it all, crunched up and twirled around like this. How perfect is that? And goes in the bag, and then it's perfect for when you undo it and wear it. Oh my gosh. It has the tag attached here. I love it. It is a stunner. Oh my gosh, how absolutely perfect. It's cashmere and silk. Okay, I'm happy. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Katya, you are so sweet, so amazing to have done this for me. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate it. If there's anything that you need from me, for me to pick up in the States for you, you don't hesitate to let me know, okay? Because seriously, I love how the luxury community on YouTube, we all get it. We all understand one another, and we want to help each other out. And I've seen it time and time again on other people's channels, on mine. We're just a really good group of helpful people, and I cannot be any more happy with all of this, and it's just worked out so well. Thank you. I love my scarf. Katya, I will think of you every single time I wear it. So much love. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I really appreciate it. I'm so excited, and maybe I'll just have to turn on the air conditioning today in my house and wear this. I'm kidding.